trip to Salem is a very urgent need. You can't deprive a man of his ancient right to breed. So take us back to Salem and we sow the merry seed while the others sing all day.
Congratulations to the newly elected officers of the National Assembly, Philippines. Greetings from Beta Sigma Fraternity, Western Canada.
Assembly.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
Always we'd like to wish a happy 70th anniversary, Beta Sigma Fraternity.
Yay! Cheers! Naidaghan manganta dere.